Well, you know it's cold outside when you go to warm up your Jeep, the Pusher 9000, and everything is frozen. Put her in nooch. Make sure the defrost is on. Let her warm up for about 10 to 15 minutes before we head up to the shop, do some more work today. Well, I think that's gonna do it for now. Come on, windshield wipers. Nope. Oh boy. Oh yeah. So we had a little more work to do to the fireplace. Drilled a couple more holes, lopped off the end of these hinges because they were just way too long. And yeah, now we'll be able to put those holes in there. Also, Richard cut down the bolts on the inside. Actually using a cutoff wheel this time, not a grinding wheel. So, yeah, we'll be able to get a fire going here soon. That's our heat source for right now. Not the best thing in the world.
Got it. It here it is. I mean, yeah.
Tell the people what we're doing today, Richard. We're not working on your truck, that's for sure.
Nope.
We are putting the GMC project on hold for right now. Come to find out, what did you find the last time you're...
The throttle body had the crack in it.
Yeah, so the throttle body has a crack in it. And we were trying to really get it timed in. And it's kind of hard to do if the throttle body itself is messed up.
Yep.
So we are once again turning our attention onto the LS build for the fire chicken. You know, I really wasn't going to go this far with it, but the thing is after finding out that the machine shop there in Longview, Washington, well, it's almost technically Kelso area. Anyways, I might as well just tear the entire motor down to the block, have the block and crank checked out. We might be punching it out, I don't know, about maybe 5 over. And yep, we're going to rebuild the entire Ls1. Good stuff, huh?
Yep.
Might as well. Might
Already
as well.
here. Already this far.
Knock sensors, we don't need those. Here Richard is tearing off the valley plate.
Yep.
So he's going to start with the valley plate. We already got the knock sensors out of the top of the block. And then, yeah, I guess we're just going to tear the front and the back of the motor off. We'll eventually have to put the motor on a cherry picker because we don't have, well, I don't know. We'll see how heavy it is once we get all this stuff off of it. Always save your boxes, right? Thank you, O'Reilly's, for the free box. Man, it is cold in the shop. Okay, it's gonna be an up close, so just try not to move from your position so you don't block the camera.
Yep.
Oh, all right. Oh no! Actually, that gasket might still be good. So there is the freshly painted water pump.
There you go.
You're gonna need that. That gasket still looks pretty good. We might be able to reuse them. And leave all the bolts in it, I guess.
Yep.
Might as well. Another trick is to leave all your bolts. See, I already found these bolts one time. I don't really need to find them again. Heck yeah, man. Now, I think I might have used a little bit of a RTV gasket on it. That's why that screwdriver's there. I think I used it to kind of hold it all in place. Nope. There we go. Oh, dude, I could reuse that too. No
Yep.
problem. Gasket's still in good place, in good shape. The rubber seal. I could even put another coat of paint on it if I wanted to. At this point.
Oil pumped off.
Just right. Well, I knew just taking that screwdriver in front of it would come right off. But... Ah, I see now. So, yeah, this is going away.
Yep.
So that's how those knock sensors work on the inside, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Now we're gonna slap a piece of billet aluminum on the front. Take those knock sensors, put them on the side of the motor. I've already somewhat looked into it. It just makes the motor look a lot better, you know, when you start throwing a bunch of billet aluminum stuff on it. And what are you pulling there, Richard?
Hydraulic lifters.
Yeah, well, might as well get some new one of those, right? Actually, there's how many? There's 2 per cylinder.
Yep. Need 16 of those.
You got left.
Now I'm gonna flip it over.
Well, I don't think it's pinned in. Oh yeah, it's just pinned in there.
But we need to get a cherry picker over here.
We should be able to spin it though for right now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, roll it over. Oh, well, there's still a little oil and coolant in the motor.
Get something. That should be good right there, though. Good.
Yeah, we'll be able to get it from that side.
Yep.
All right, you gotta let me dig into it now.
Yep. Good.
Now, after spinning the motor over, let's go ahead and take the end caps off. Now, we're gonna have to bust out the big.
Got it.
Sometimes you gotta put some more muscle to it. Start from the middle, I guess. I don't know. It doesn't really matter when you put it back in, right? That's
Yeah.
when it really matters. I know that. After getting new bearings, whatever size they tell us I have to get, they tell me.
Don't take them all off there yet.
No, I'm just doing that.
Yeah.
It's like NASCAR.
Okay, now.
It's about that time. We gotta drag the cherry picker over here. also known as the engine hoist. And I think at this point we can actually shorten the, yeah, let's shorten it up before we even put that engine block on there. Oh. Yeah, this thing does not roll good at all. Might have to work. What's that saying, Richard? Work smart, not hard.
Work smarter, not harder.
Yeah, there you go.
But we
Then
never
we'll be
do
able
that.
to pick it up, get to the back casing of the motor, spin it back around for the second time, and then start taking everything out. We kind of jumped ahead there on a. We're all like, oh shoot, yeah, you got to take the back casing off. Go for it. Going down. Let's see. Keep on going a little bit more. Go up. There's Richard jacking off again in the shop. All right, that should be good. Maybe go a little higher. That's good. Yeah. Now the back casing, which I was eventually going to get to. I have a new seal for the crank, new gasket for the back casing here. It's like NASCAR when you're trying to film and take stuff apart, you know. You just want to go, go, go.
Yep.
Because then someone else can come along and be like, I did that in like 5 minutes. Maybe I could have spun them off a little more with the gun, huh? Now this might, well, no, looks like it's falling.
You got one more.
Well, I do. It started coming off though. Yeah. Huh? All right. Now we can flip it over, right?
Yep.
With it. There you go. Now, if you really wanted to, you can make that into a sword. You want to put that in like we can make a sword out of that. I'll just put it that way.
Looks real good. No scoring marks or anything.
For sale or best offer.
$5.
ARP bolt for the win. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the front of the crank there. It's a big bolt though, dude. Try to find a socket for that. All right, go for it. First actual old piston. Yeah, man, we might have to go through the bottom.
Nope,
Right? You got it.
top. I had to get some more leverage on it now. Let's get a rubber mallet.
Go for it. Well, there's one. Hand me that cap.
Yep.
Put the cap back on. What cylinder is this, by the way? Just
That one is 3.
number 3.
One right next to it is gonna be 4. I'm pulling out now.
Okay, hold on a minute. I'm gonna keep working on doing whatever. But. I went ahead and bought a whiteboard. Oh.
It's good. This race came out.
Bro. What are you doing here? Hold on a minute.
Yeah. This the race came out with bearing.
What number was that first one?
3.
Number 3. What number is that one?
4.
4. All right, let's get to work.
All right, let me spin this motor now.
Hold on a minute, let me get rid of 4.
Yep. One and 2 coming out next. It'll come out. Here, gun. Wood.
Give it a bonk with a rubber mallet and a piece of firewood. And I'll catch it.
Hold on.
There she is. What number is this one again?
That was 1.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
1.
Cap. Now which one you going for?
2.
That's one on the bottom.
Yep.
All right, I'll catch it. There it is.
That's 2.
End cap. Doesn't matter about the bearings.
Nope.
End up getting new bearings.
We're going to do 5 next. This is right here.
5. And then what's the next one after that?
And then 6.
Nope. Number 5. Only 3 more to go.
Yep.
Oh, got it. And cap.
Right here. Get this bearing off the way. All right, now 6.
Well, you can tell it has really good compression still.
Yeah.
Although that doesn't really matter by now. Almost. Oh, we found a stubborn one. You're gonna have to turn the crank a little bit, maybe?
No, it's not that. It's hitting the crank. So I need to push it back in. And mount tap in a little bit.
I don't know if I can.
Yep, going.
Yeah, that's on the rings.
All right, we're good. All right, now I can get it out of there. Let's see here. Mount it.
Got it. And cap.
Cap. Bolt right there.
And that's number 7.
Yep.
Hold on a minute. All right. One last cylinder. Got it. And cap. Now at this point, we'll just go ahead and put these back in. We thought, oh, maybe we'll just leave the crank in the motor block since it's all going out. But Richard did go ahead and break these main caps loose. I don't know if they're going to need all these bolts, but I'm going to put them back in anyways. Just hand tight, right?
Yep.
They might need them. I don't know. There goes my paint job, by the way. For those that have watched the old videos on the Ls1 build, I think I used like 3 cans of spray paint on it, dude. Oh, we're missing a bolt. It's easy to find. It has spray paint on it. Yeah, there you go. So what are you working on over here, Dad?
I haven't got it to
The
start.
Dodge Neon? Whoa.
No, batteries too. What the hell? Battery must be 2 gonzers.
Yep. It sounds like you
Because when I
need
put it up on high, it smokes this wire.
Oh, that's not good. And you've had it charging all night?
No.
No. But you've had it charging, though. Well, I don't think it's on. But.
Yeah, it's charging. Getting a good spark.
It's probably due for a new battery.
Oh, yeah.
Dodge Neon SE. What do you think that stands for? Sport Edition? Yeah?
Yeah, everybody got one of these. Forgot it's the other thing. We get it turned over a couple times and you know what's going on.
It is a crisp 40 degrees up here at the shop. But we have the fire stoked. Full of wood. Seattle's worst coffee. I think it went up to at least 43 degrees in here now, guys. Maybe 45. We'll take a little bit of a break. Then eventually load up the Ls1 block, crank, and send it off. Maybe one of these days I'll get some steps on this thing. So we'll go ahead and back up. And then pull forward. And then back up again. While watching the mirrors. With the fresh cylinder heads back from the machine shop, I'm going to take them one at a time. Put them on top of the hood here for now. Try not to dent the hood. These are actually pretty light cylinder heads. Yep. We're going to take the other one with the cardboard. Why not? And slide this one in. There we go. Go for it. Out of the shop it goes. Park it right there for right now. In the back of the Jeep it goes. Right. Pull this way. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Oh, she's in there. Take that off. And send it out. Then eventually we'll be reversing this process, right? But you know, I did give this block a good paint job. I mean, I'd say that. I mean, sure, you know, it's all going to be ruined. It's all going to be stripped off and we have to repaint it. Oh well, we have more spray paint though. More Pontiac blue. For the Pontiac. Probably end up ditching the front wheels, Dad.
You did what?
I want to get matching wheels. We might end up, and this one kind of leaks. I mean, I got 2 more rims somewhere, but why not just get, you know, matching rims or different ones?
Something like that on them. Yeah.
For the front, yep.
Yeah. Yeah. 2000.
Shut it up. Send it off.
2.8.
You know, it's kind of dirty. Well, what do you think? You want to tear into this rat's nest over here?
Well, already here.
Pull the brake booster off. Wiring, who knows? Yeah, it's not good to spray them though. I need a different range. Yeah, they're on there, man. They're on there. Oh, that's the top one. There's the bottom one I can't really get. All right, find another 9/16. Let's go at it. Got all the bolts broke. I sprayed them down really good. Well, we both sprayed them down really good. We did not want one of those bolts breaking on the back side of the brake booster there. I've already had to deal with it with one classic car, right? So I took our time with it, got the bolts all sprayed down, and they all broke free. Now you just gotta get them all with a wrench, pretty much, you know. Yummy. Finally! Man, that took forever. Watch that wire. Up and over. Yeah, look how, I mean, it's obviously seen better days, right?
Yep. So now we need a 10.
Now we'll move on to the wiring. Might as well. We already figured it out. So all this, right? So that goes to the windshield wipers. This is all for the front of the car. This is all the lights, side markers, headlights, all that. And this is mainly power and what else?
Distributor, alternator.
Yeah, this is all power side. All right, what are we looking at here? There you go. That's literally all the wires to the car just came off. I mean, except for, you know, what's under the firewall for the actual cluster and stuff like that, but yep. I'm gonna end up having to basically, I don't know, man. I could always get a new harness for the front made, or figure out what I could do with this.
Just snip that off.
No, I wouldn't want to. I don't want to mess with the integrity of the entire wire harness. We have Jonathan here. He needs to do an oil change up here in the shop. You might be able to shut it. Yep, that's good. You know, if I were you though, I would just make yourself a custom bumper. Call it good. Get rid of this chunk of metal.
It's killed 2 deer.
2 deer? Wow. Well, I think that's going to do it for today. Got the LS block in the back of the Jeep here. Hit up the machine shop tomorrow. Drop it off. Let them do some work to it. Call it good. So what do you think, man? Yeah, I mean it's there, right? It's all there. Send it off. Machine shop. Have them look at it. That sound good to you? Okay, good talking to you. Yeah. Whoa. Go for it, man. Go. Go for it. Woohoo! It's not a duck.
Bye. Wait, we're trying to see if that thing is across the road.
It's a beaver.
I'm just looking at it. It's homeless.
It's homeless.
That's a hairy old rat. It's not little.
You are cold. They're cold. Bring them inside. Aw, you see him? Aw.
Hey, don't get too close to the edge.
Aw, look at him. With his little rat tail.
It's a black hair. Mom! Mom, it's not a rat.
Yeah.
It's going back to the water. Oh my god, it's not doing it. Just stay around here.
What's he eating? Sticks?
Yeah, it's
No, it was bred in the water.